Hey kids and parents, welcome to Summer Splash Green Week. I'm so excited for what we're gonna be making today. Do you like dirt? Do you like worms? Do you like being outside? That's how we're gonna celebrate Green Week this week. So we are going to be making dirt pudding cups. These are so yummy. So what we're gonna do is take a cup and we're gonna layer in some crushed up Oreos. And then we're gonna layer in some chocolate pudding mixed with some Cool Whip. This stuff is so good. And then we're gonna do another layer of Oreos. And you're gonna keep layering as high as you can go. And then we're gonna end on the top with some gummy worms. So it's gonna look like worms in the dirt, but I promise it's so good. We're gonna put that on top. And then when you're finished, it's gonna look just like this. Now, doesn't that look so good?